So we will factor 9m squared minus 64. Okay, so this is a factoring by difference of two squares. So dapat yung difference of two squares, ito si 9, our first term is a perfect square, and the last term or the second term is also a perfect square. At saka difference or minus yung kanilang sign. Okay, so pwede natin i-factor yan. Okay, ano ba yan? So factor natin yan. So since yung factor natin sa 9 is 3, diba? 3 times 3, that is 9. Then merong m squared yan, so m at saka isang m. And since difference ito, so minus plus, kasi if we are going to multiply negative times positive, that is negative, or positive times negative, that is negative. Pwede magkabaliktad yan, pwede rin positive dito, pwede rin negative dyan. Okay? Then factor ng 64, that is 8, kasi 8 times 8 is 64. So ito na yung factored form natin. Okay? So ngayon, kung gusto mong i-check yan, i-check natin yan, gamitin natin yung FOIL method. Si first term, outer term, inner term, and last term. Si first term muna tayo, si 3m times 3m, that is unit dito 9m squared, diba? So we have to add the exponent. Then outer, si 3m multiply natin kay 8 kasi outer yan, that is positive 24m. Then inner, si inner negative 8 multiply natin kay 3m, that is negative 24m. And then last term, si positive 8 negative 8, sorry, i-multiply natin kay positive 8, so that is negative 64. Okay, ngayon kunin natin yung total nila, yung final answer 9m squared, tapos i-cancel natin itong 24m, positive 24m minus 24m is 0, diba? So minus, or kupihin natin yan si negative 64, so the same sila.